Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and then make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And yeah, jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Disney Villains Misunderstood palette from ColourPop, and yeah, this is the collaboration that they did with Disney, and you guys have probably seen me use this palette in a couple tutorials if you guys are old subscribers. But yeah, I absolutely love this palette. I feel like the colors in it are so amazing. And I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I used that as an eyeshadow primer, so I just applied it all over my lid, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set my entire lid with translucent powder just to set everything in place, and it also helps blending eyeshadows a little bit easier. So the first shade that I used in my palette is the shade Tragic, which is this really light beige color, and I just popped that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next I went into the shade Devious, which is kind of like a warm brown shade, almost like a copper shade. And I put that in my crease, and I kind of put it above my actual crease, starting to map out where I want to add the definition. And I like to do this with a defined angled brush first because I just have more control of where I place the eyeshadow. And then I go in with a fluffy brush and I grabbed that first shade that we used, Tragic, to blend everything out. And then going in with my defined angled brush once again, I grabbed the shade 101, which is this matte black eyeshadow. And I just applied that in my crease directly over top of where I applied the previous shade. And you'll see me doing this technique a lot because it's my favorite way to add definition but yet still have a really blended look. So then I went back into those first two eyeshadows that I applied in my crease and I really blended everything out. Then I went back into the shade Devious once again, and I wanted to start to add a little bit of definition to my outer lid, and I just grabbed a flat shader brush and I just started working on the outside corner, working my way inward but leaving the inner part blank. And then I went into the shade 101, which is the matte black eyeshadow once again, and I just added even more definition to the outer corner of the eye. And then I went back into my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I decided that I wanted to clean up the lid. And this is one of my favorite things to do because it just makes the eyeshadow look a lot more clean, and it just makes whatever shade you applied to the lid a lot more vibrant. And then I went into my Honey palette from ColourPop and I picked up this gold shade Dandy. And I grabbed a flat synthetic brush and I just packed that all over the inner part of my lid, avoiding the area of all the eyeshadows that we applied in the outer lid just because we don't want to ruin all that work that we just did. Next I went into my NYX glitter primer and my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in Star Power, and I put that in my crease. And I find that using your most detailed, small, defined angled brush would be the best type of brush to apply glitter in your crease. And make sure that you definitely don't go in with too much glitter because then it'll just fall all over your eye. So work with a very small amount of product at a time. And then for lashes, I went in with my Shop Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bali. I'll definitely leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand. And then I went into that first shade that we went into, the shade Tragic, and I also went in with Devious and I just put that on my lower lashes in the outer corner. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you to all of you guys that leave comments in all of our videos. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!